Hello guys, hope you're doing fine and enjoying your summer days. And I'm back with your own channel, Automobile Tech Hobby. And today's video is all about the speedometer and how you can do your speedometer zero and how you can calculate how many kilometers you have done after refill your tank and how you can do it and how you can manage your trip. So I'm in my Golf 5, my beautiful second wife. As you can see, I love my car. Yeah, I should be honest with you guys. So here, as you can see, I turn on the ignition. Yeah, hope you can see it clearly now. Yeah, it's auto, so that's why I should turn it off. And here you can see that it shows 400 400.5 kilometers, which I've already driven on single tank. So still the tank has a quarter full, and I just wanted to let you know guys that how you can calculate your with one tank how far you can drive. And it's like you will have an idea. So there you can see it's 0 0. So you have to press this button for 2 seconds and then release it, and here you see is 0 0. So from here onwards you can calculate how many kilometers you have driven. So this video I'm going to finish here, and hope you like this video. And kindly I will request you guys, please like it, subscribe, and share. Please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe my channel, definitely my channel will grow, and I will definitely gonna make new videos for you guys. And please let me know if you want to know anything regarding the Golf 5 Mark 5. So I will try my best to make a video on your topic and whatever you like. And yeah, that's all for today. Okay then, thank you so much for watching my videos and liking and subscribing and comments. Thank you so much. Cheers. Bye bye.